Welcome to my project ideas. This is an ongoing series on SAP UI5 projects, and in this video we'll learn how to do BTP destination connections in SAP UI5. And in this particular video we'll be focusing upon the Xs-app.json based files. So you need to have basic knowledge of destination, how it is created, and you need to have access of IDE. It can be web ID or it can be pass, and you need to have access of BTP also. And your BTP and your IDE should be connected via a single login. They should not be logged in via different credentials. And also you need to have basic knowledge of SAP UI5. So as I discussed, this one will be focused upon Cloud Foundry based destination, mainly on Xs-app.json file. So there are different types of destinations. There are multiple ways to access the same type of destination in a same application. So we'll be focusing upon one particular scenario. So I have already connected my destination. So I've created a destination using Northwind OData service. It's an OData service provided by OData services, the official OData services, and it provides you an API which can be used to do read calls. So this is the basic, or this is the base of the URL, and after that something is also appended so that you can get the actual API to get the data. So with the help of destination, we create a configuration such that you do not get CORS issue in your API calls. Also, you are able to secure your API calls. You do not expose the URLs directly to the end user. So this is a use case. The destination is created. The steps to create a destination is already discussed in different videos by me. So we have created more videos on destination. The links of those will be shared within the description of the video, but also we'll share a link of an article where you can find the steps. Okay, fine. So if I go back to the application, so I have created an application in Business Application Studio, BAS, and in this particular portal, we have to have create a space. A space can be for CAPM or empty environment, or it can be for Fury environment. So whenever you create a space, after that you get to create application, right? The application has to be like created as the templates, like this file, new project from template. And while you are creating a template, there itself it will ask for destination services. So I will just showcase the same to you. If I just try to create a new project from template. So suppose I choose SAP Fury application here. Then I can choose here the freestyle one and choose the UI5 application. This is the part where you can choose a destination, right? In case you choose destination just here, and in later steps you do not go for deployment configuration, then this configuration will be added in the YAML file, not the Xs-app.json file. So suppose I do connect to a system. I do Northwind. And I need to have the Northwind access. Let me go to the so I have this path. I click next. I can add a new view, so I will just call it main view. I will leave these files as the default ones, and here I choose deployment configuration. If I will not choose deployment configuration, I will not get these Xs-app.json files and all other files. So you have to do yes, because ultimately your plan will be to deploy your application, right? And your deployment configuration related changes are also added into the YAML file. When you click next, here again you are being asked regarding your destination. So you choose Cloud Foundry and your destination. So you see this north wind is coming. It is coming from this particular BTP portal. So I will not click finish because I have already created the app. So I will just close this one. So this app will be created once you click finish. Fine. And when you go to Xs-app.json, you will see this is the route that is being added for your destination. Suppose you create one more destination in this BT portal and you call it something test. The name will be test destination. So that you can write here like this test. This is the first part. Second part is like how to call the targets. So here they have given some configuration like you call like this v2 slash dollar slash one. This can be replaced with something that you want to add like you can write a destination slash v2, something like that. So it means wherever you're calling this particular destination, suppose I am calling it in manifest file. So I'll go to manifest file. So this is the part where I'm calling the destination. So in case this is being called, you see v2 is being called, this is a source. So in case this is matched, so it replaces it with this URL. So it appends the URL, right? So if in case we want our URL to be there, so we can add something like destination dash s. So this is the one. So what will happen? This particular path destination will be replaced by the URL that is being mentioned there. So it is like you give the destination path name here. This path is traced till here, and here whatever destination you are calling, it replaces that path. I hope you have understood the concept. So, and I hope this will run now. Yes. So you see, based on the destination that we have created, based on the configuration that we have done in Xs-app.json, we were able to call the destination and load our file. So yeah, that's it for today's video. We'll add all the links in description so that you can refer the JSON file, Xs-app.json file, and other YAML files. Thank you very much.